Welcome to the Glade. If you're looking for a truly exclusive, one-of-a-kind home, look no further. This magnificent house is situated on just over a 6-acre plot on the outskirts of Charlwood Village. So it has amazing access to Hawley, Crawley, Reigate, Dorking and Horsham town centres. Come and take a look. Offering just over 5,500 square feet, this fabulous 5-bedroom home with a master suite to die for offers an abundance of versatile living space to suit your needs. To top it all off, there's an underground triple garage and direct access to Glover's Wood at the end of the garden. But this was just a glimpse of what this house has to offer. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, give me a call. I'd love to show you around.